Ready to see what all the hype is about? These viral Temu kitchen gadgets are taking over for a reason. Each one solves a problem you didn't even know you had. From quirky tools to genius space savers, they'll seriously level up your kitchen game. You can find all the links in the description below. Breakfast just got way more fun and way less messy. This 3-in-1 cooker handles your morning favorites all at once. Whip up omelets, pancakes, or sausages on top. Toast bread with a slide-out tray below. And yes, even waffles are welcome. A simple timer dial keeps everything from burning while you multitask. It's like having a diner countertop packed into one compact appliance. Fresh pasta with zero effort? Yes, please. Just drop in your ingredients and this machine takes care of the rest, mixing them into perfect dough, then pressing it into spaghetti automatically. The clear top lets you see exactly how much dough is left, so there are no surprises mid-meal. It even comes with measuring cups to get the ratio right every time. Homemade pasta night just became a weekly thing. This little gadget is cuter than it has any right to be, and surprisingly handy. Pop it into your sink drain, and it catches all the food scraps before they cause trouble. When it's full, lift it out using the handle and press the button to release the gunk right into the trash. No scooping, no touching, no mess. It's small, simple, and makes cleanup way less gross. Peeling fruit shouldn't feel like a chore or a wrist workout. This clever little peeler glides through apple, pear, or peach skins without bruising the fruit underneath. Its foldable design fits perfectly in your hand and tucks away when you're done. Just press, twist, and watch the peel slide right off. No slipping, no strain, and no mess. It's simple, safe, and way more fun than your old knife. Smoothies on the go. This portable blender cup makes it ridiculously easy. Just toss in your fruits or veggies, add some water, flip it upside down, and press the button. In seconds, it blends everything into your perfect drink right inside the same cup. And with the included straw lid, you can sip straight from the blender without pouring a thing. It's your new favorite grab-and-go gadget. Tired of rolling up snack bags only for them to pop open later? This handy sealer clips right onto any food bag and locks it down tight. It even has a built-in pour spout, so you can pour out cereal, sugar, or snacks without ever removing the clip. When you're done, just close the lid and it's sealed again. No spills, no ants, no stale food. It's a smart fix for every kitchen. Grating cheese and slicing veggies doesn't have to leave your arms sore. This electric slicer takes care of it all with just the push of a button. It comes with 4 interchangeable blades so you can shred, slice, or julienne anything from cheese to carrots. No pre-cutting needed thanks to the wide chute. Everything drops straight into the built-in bowl for mess-free prep. Cleanup? Just pop off the parts and rinse, done in seconds. Turn your kitchen into an ice station with this compact little machine. Just pour in water or any drink you want frozen, and in about 7 minutes, you'll have cute bell-shaped ice ready to go. It makes a surprising amount, fast, and holds up to 3 liters, so you're not constantly refilling. Great for parties, hot days, or just chilling your favorite drinks on demand. Watching it work is almost as fun as using the ice. Why clutter your kitchen with multiple tools when one bowl can do it all? This stainless steel basin isn't just a bowl. It's a grater, strainer, and prep station in one. slice, shred, and rinse your veggies right over the bowl. Then mix everything together without ever swapping tools. The built-in colander fits perfectly inside, and everything stacks neatly when you're done. Washing dishes just got a whole lot cuter and smarter. This little brush has a smiling face, but it means serious cleaning business. Pop off the top, fill it with soap, then press the face to squirt out just the right amount. The sturdy bristles underneath scrub away grime without scratching. It's fun to use, mess-free, and way more effective than your average sponge. Keep your spices neat, tidy, and always within reach. This clever organizer has 2 sliding compartments you can fill with your favorite seasonings. Just pull one out to grab what you need. No more digging through cluttered shelves. It's easy to install and fits right into most kitchen spaces. A simple upgrade that makes cooking way smoother. Turning your regular soda can into a spill-proof sipper is easier than ever. These reusable lids snap right on top and seal tightly to prevent leaks. There's even a built-in straw you can pop up to sip and push down to close, with a cap that keeps things clean. The little hanging loop lets you carry it or clip it anywhere. Perfect for travel, picnics, or just keeping bugs out of your drink. Small kitchen? No problem. This compact countertop dishwasher handles over 30 dishes at once without needing any installation. Just fill the built-in 5-liter tank, pick from 6 wash modes, including baby care and fruit rinse, and let it do the dirty work. It even dries everything with hot air and vents for hours to keep odors away. Perfect for apartments, RVs, or anyone tired of scrubbing by hand. Here's a brush that fits right on your finger and fits right into your kitchen routine. Just slide it onto one finger and start scrubbing fruits, veggies, dishes, or even stubborn sink stains. The firm bristles handle messes without scratching, and it gives you better control while cleaning. You can even use it as a mini drying mat for glasses. Compact, reusable, and way more fun to use than a sponge. Dinner parties just got a major upgrade. This round bamboo charcuterie board starts as a compact wedge, then swivels open into a stunning multi-tiered display. It's got room for all your cheeses, fruits, and snacks, and even hides a built-in drawer with a full cheese knife set. The smooth bamboo finish looks elegant on any table. It's functional, fun to open, and guaranteed to impress your guests. No tools, no screws, no hassle. This dish rack is ready to go straight out of the box. With 2 sturdy tiers, it's perfect for small kitchens and keeps your dishes, cups, and utensils neatly organized. The 360-degree rotating spout drains water right into the sink, no matter how your counter is set up. Rust-proof metal and a compact footprint make it both tough and space-saving. Great for everyday use without overcrowding your kitchen. Tired of scrubbing microwave splatter after every meal? This foldable cover keeps your food from making a mess while doubling as a steamer to lock in moisture. It fits over large plates and bowls, folds down flat for storage, and even includes a built-in drip catcher to keep things extra clean. Plus, the integrated handle makes it super easy to lift. Everything's designed for convenience. No mess, no hassle. Half a lemon, a slice of onion, or that last bit of avocado, don't let them go to waste. These reusable fruit and veggie keepers are shaped just like what they store, so they're easy to identify in a packed fridge. They stack neatly, seal tightly, and trap odors to keep your fridge fresh. Dishwasher safe and easy to reuse, they make storing cut produce way less annoying. If you're tired of uneven meat slices or struggling with a dull kitchen knife, this manual slicer might just change how you prep. It cuts fresh meat into uniform 2mm or 4mm slices, perfect for hot pot, stir fry, or jerky. With sharp steel blades, strong suction base, and an easy clean design, it delivers precision without the fuss. Compact enough to store or even mount. Running out of space for your kitchen staples? This 5-layer rolling kitchen trolley gives you an instant storage upgrade without eating up your counters. The round, tiered design is perfect for stacking fruits, veggies, jars, or even small appliances, and the wheels make it easy to move around. Whether it's tucked in a corner or rolled out for easy access, it keeps your kitchen neat and organized. Planning your next camping trip or outdoor cookout? This compact stove packs serious heat and a built-in wind guard that keeps the flame steady in any weather. It folds down neatly and comes with a carrying bag for easy transport. The fire is adjustable, the ignition is electronic, and the safety features give you peace of mind. Great for hiking, picnics, or campsite cooking. Want to turn veggies into fun, healthy spirals without the hassle? This 4-in-1 spiralizer lets you switch between blade styles with a simple rotation, so you can make noodles, ribbons, and more in seconds. The vertical design uses gravity to your advantage, while the strong suction cup base keeps it stable. It's compact, dishwasher safe, and makes prep faster whether you're slicing zucchini or sweet potatoes. Slicing round fruits and veggies just got way easier. This handheld fruit slicer holds items like tomatoes, lemons, or potatoes in place, while you glide your knife through the built-in guides for perfectly even slices. The tong-style grip makes it easy to open, position, and clean, and the durable ABS build means it'll last. It's one of those simple tools that seriously upgrades your kitchen game. Turn any evening into a cozy experience with this sleek tabletop flame that doubles as a modern s'mores maker. Designed with tempered glass windshields for safety and style, it creates a clean, smoke-free flame, no soot or mess involved. Whether you're indoors or out, it adds instant ambiance. Great for gatherings, relaxing nights, or as a unique gift. Just add gel fuel and you're good to go. Give your kitchen an instant upgrade with this sleek Waterfall Faucet that offers more than just good looks. You get 3 different modes: stream, spray, and pause. Perfect for everything from rinsing veggies to tackling dishes. The gentle cascading water adds a spa-like touch, while the adjustable neck makes it easy to direct the flow where you need it.